Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to rename a printer in Windows 10, step by step, so you can easily manage your devices. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the search menu on your Windows 10 computer by clicking the magnifying glass in the taskbar. This lets you quickly find any app or setting you need. Step 2. Type Control Panel into the search box and open it from the results. The Control Panel is where you can manage all your hardware and software settings. Step 3. Change the view to large icons by selecting it from the top right corner. This makes it easier to see all the available options clearly. Step 4. Click on Devices and Printers. This section shows all printers and other connected devices on your computer. Step 5. Right-click on the printer you want to rename. Right-clicking opens a menu with different options you can perform on the printer. Step 6. Select Printer Properties from the menu. This opens a window where you can access settings specific to the selected printer. Step 7. At the top of the Printer Properties window, highlight the current printer name and type the new name you want. This allows you to personalize or better organize your printers. Step 8. Click OK to apply the new name. This confirms your changes and updates the printer name in Windows. Step 9. If prompted that the printer is shared, select Yes to confirm the rename. This ensures that any networked connections are aware of the new printer name. Step 10. For other computers connected to the printer, adjust their settings and reconnect to the renamed printer if needed. This keeps all devices on your network working with the correct printer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.